What's up, guys? Are you having issues with your Canik Mete MC9 having cycling problems? Well, stay tuned. This might be your answer. Alright guys, what's up? So I went shooting yesterday and I did a little modification to my Canik Mete MC9. And first and foremost, make sure the weapon's clear. Nothing in the chamber, no ammo anywhere around. Gonna quickly disassemble. And then let me show you what I did, which solved my cycling issue for the failure to return fully to battery. So what I did was I took small files, and as you can see, the metal inserts that go into the frame or receiver, the plastic was actually sticking up past the metal inserts or sliders, and that was it was sticking up just enough to cause it to catch. And when it catched, it would stop it going fully cycling, and it would stop it right about there. So that is just enough so that when you actually fire, it is not enough force to actually hit the primer and fire the round that's in the chamber, causing cycling issues. So give that a shot. I know it's kind of daunting because you gotta file your gun or weapon receiver, but just make sure you keep it flush, and when you run your finger across it, you shouldn't feel really any plastic. It should be a smooth transition, both the front and the back. That was the only issue I had. I shot maybe 500 rounds through this yesterday, had zero cycling issues, zero failure to battery, and I believe it solved the issue. So if this helps out, leave a comment down below, like the video, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks and info and whatnot about guns, and I will see y'all in the next video.